Buenos días, amigos. ¿Cómo están? Hola a todos. Qué bueno que estás. Hola a todos. Qué bueno que estás. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre un libro que se llama El oso no para de roncar. We are going to look at a story online that Miss Sandra is going to put up on this website called El oso no para de roncar. That means the bear. Do you remember oso? Remember, vamos a cazar un oso. El oso no para. He doesn't stop from roncar, snoring. Can everybody snore for me? Let me hear you guys snore. Roncar. Excelente. Okay, the first thing I want you guys to think about is in this story, in this cuento, they say 5 times the same thing. Say it with me. Ready? Say, pero el oso no para de roncar. Muy bien, amigos. All right, we are going to go over some vocabulario that will make it easier. Okay, we're going to go over 10 palabras. ¿Listos? All right. Roncar, snore, we know that already. Cueva, cave. Cueva, cave. Frío, do you remember frío? We used to talk about hace frío, cold, frío. Marrón, brown. They also say café. I think that's what we learned, but they also say marrón, brown. Para, say para, stop, para. Ratón, mouse. Palomitas, popcorn. Who likes palomitas, popcorn? A mí me gusta palomitas. And tejón, badger. I learned that today. I did not know what a badger was in Spanish. Tejón, badger. Nueces dulces, sweet nuts. Noche, night. Liebre, hare. So a bunny is what we usually talked about, was a conejo. But a liebre is a hare. And estornudado. Oh my goodness, what a word. Everyone say estornudado. Estornudado. Achoo! What do you guys think that means? Sneeze. Sí, sí, amigos. Estornudado. Sneezed. Achoo. And the last one is despertado. Awake. Despertado. All right, una vez más, one more time, we are going to do the words they say over and over so you can repeat it along with the story. They say, pero el oso no para de roncar. Excelente, amigos. We're going to do our goodbye song. Adiós, amigos, las manos arriba. La clase terminó. Adiós, amigos, las manos